Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho Bitiya. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you MBO working conditions. Subject name is Dairy Plant Management. Discipline is Food and Biotechnology. Now let's start the topic MBO working management. MBO stands for Management by Objectives. It is a process whereby the superior and subordinate managers of an organization jointly identify its common goals, define each individual's major areas of responsibility in terms of results expected of him, and the use of these measures of guides for operating the unit and assessing the contribution of its members. The MBO process is undertaken along the following lines. The subordinate and the superior jointly determine goals to be accomplished during the appraisal period and what level of performance is necessary for the subordinate to satisfactorily achieve specific goals. And during the appraisal period, the superior and subordinate update and alter goals as necessary due to changes in the business environment. Both superior and subordinate jointly discuss whether the subordinate achieved the goals or not. If not, they should identify the reasons for deviation like strike, lockout, market change, etc. Then Peter Drucker for the first time explored the management by objectives for getting improved organizational performance and employee satisfaction. As management principles are widely accepted, the MBO is spreading to cover even non-business organizations to manage their performance as a systematic settings of objectives and goals lead to better results. The setting of overall objective is done by management after considering the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. The key functional areas are identified. First, to formulate overall objectives. Key functional areas are those which have maximum impact on the overall performance. The key functional areas performance is to be evaluated to understand their contribution in the organization. The objectives are generally used as measuring scales of performances. The inputs required for achieving the objectives are also appraised. Time and money factors are crucial items to have results-oriented performance. The department goals are guiding factors for deciding branch goals. Readjustment of department and sectional objectives is essential to arrive at practical and feasible objectives. The individual superiors objectives are developed based on the sectional objectives. The employee-supervisor relationship is also discussed while formulating their objectives. The supervisor's objectives, usually known as targets, are quantifiable, feasible, and are time and cost oriented. Their performance is judged on these bases. The corporate objectives are achieved through corporate plans and strategies. Similarly, departmental, sectional, and individual objectives are achieved through departmental plans, sectional plans, and action plans respectively. The performance achieved is compared with the objectives to find out the position, causes, and constraints of achievements in the areas of organizational performance and employee satisfaction. The appraisal system is diagnostic rather than purely evaluative. The suggestions are brought forward through mutual discussion and personal considerations. This is perpetual functions. Example is deciding objectives, plan formations, actions evaluation, diagnosis, and reformulation of objectives, plans, actions, and suggestions. Goal settings are the first and final step in job designing. The jobs are framed, described, and allocated as per the goals set by the organization, which are achieved by the employees. The deviations between the performance and the goals are diagnosed, and improved goals are set for further improvement of organizational performance and employee satisfaction. Hope you all are satisfied with this video. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.